Hey everyone, it's Emily from TravelAndLedger, and I'm coming at you from Playa del Carmen, Mexico. For this trip, I stayed at the Royal Hideaway Playacar. It's an adult-only resort with a Michelin star chef. As you enter your villa, don't be surprised if a bird or a sireke, I'm not sure how you say them, a coati or iguana stops by to catch some of that amazing sun that you're about to experience. The sound of water pulls you into your lobby. It's open aired that features your very own concierge. So they'll arrange all your dinner reservations, assist you with your needs, and be there to answer any questions that you might have while you're on property. I love the fact your room key was on your wrist, so it was easy to not unactivate it. All right, here we go. We have this lovely vase in the corner of the room. It looks like this room attaches, which is awesome because who doesn't love to hang out with their friends in an attached room? Then there's the TV, there's a wardrobe under there. You can fill up your fridge with whatever you want. We wanted beer and club soda, so that's mostly what we had in ours and a few different kinds of pop. But feel free to ask them for whatever you want. They also have coffee and tea. Here are the beds. They are so cool. Check this out. And then of course we have this awesome patio, which the pool is actually right outside, which is awesome. Lovely palm tree desk to do some work. And then we have the bathroom. Here we go. Gotta work on this tan. Comes with 2 robes, 2 extra pillows, some hangers. The safe, make sure you put your passport and everything in there. That's my jacket, and I'm not going to look at it again until this trip is over, so goodbye jacket. If you don't see one in your room, just call the front desk and they'll send them over. It's because of COVID, and I also had to call for an iron also. And here's, unlike most places, they have a whole ton of hangers here, extra pillows. And then we have this amazing vanity. Little vanity chair, little scale. I don't think I'll be using that this trip, but it's nice to know it's an option because you can weigh your luggage on it. This awesome window. We are on the ground floor, so I like that they have this privacy, but you still get the sunlight. Plenty of towels. Really cool bathtub. Another cool thing they have is you can hang your bikinis on here. So we're about to check out, but those were all hanging up there and now they're all dry. And then there's the toilet room and this awesome rain shower. And these ones have the windows also, so it's really cool. And in case you need anything, you can call your attendant at all hours. Make a reservation, do whatever you want. Use the phone if you like. Loctane, love them. I love these little placemats they have, Royal Hideaway. And then here's all of their products that they have for you. So that's nice to know that I don't need to pack any of that stuff if I have this room. Also, check out this marble Kleenex box. Oh, and they also have regular plugs. I guess she said that Mexico has all the same plugs as US, so it's only if you're European that you're gonna have to use a converter. I love when they provide slippers and robes, especially after a long day on a beach. I like the idea that I can close these doors and have a little privacy, because this trip I'm traveling with a fellow, one of my best friends, so it's nice to know he could be in here and I can be in there. We have our own space. And I would have to say this is my favorite part of the room because so many times you get a room with air conditioning but they don't have a fan, so the air conditioning is just blowing on you. We could just leave the fan on. We don't even need the air conditioning, so yay. Thanks, Barcelo. So this is actually your remote control, your little map. You can just scan this QR code and it will give you all the information for the resort. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a quick room tour before we mess it all up. And now I am off to the pool because it's only day one. I just want to enjoy myself for a bit and then I will document everything for you guys. So we were on the ground floor with a sunset view, and now let's check out the 2-story suite that was above us. And yes, that's a hammock and a hot tub. It was pretty crazy. As you walk in, you're met with a living room. There's all kinds of space to just chill. They have a bar there. There's multiple couches, tables, chairs, whatever you need to sit down after a long day at the beach. And it's plenty of space for family or a bunch of friends that want to go at the same time. Underneath the TV, they have a bunch of additional storage. There's just all kinds of space in this place. I like the fact that they had multiple bathrooms in the suite, and the suite was set up just like ours in terms of the bathroom. Check out this closet. The second floor leads right out to its own balcony, and there's a hot tub. They have an umbrella. They have all kinds of lounging up here just to be private and enjoy yourself and check out these views. Not only do you have your own bathroom up here and a whole walk-in area just like how we had in ours, but they also have another patio. With this suite, you almost get 360 views of the whole resort. I mean, it's just breathtaking up here. I didn't want to leave, honestly. Just imagine what it must look like at sunset and sunrise. I mean, come on. So that's about it for the room reviews. And next I'll be talking all about my time on the resort and all the things that we did. Stay tuned. See you soon.